And what you see there is my dandy photo. See, you like it? Her name is Marina. And also, did you know we're in Malaysia right now? And I like the. Did you know? And here's some fun facts about Malaysia. Cars do not wait for you. You wait for them. Okay? Always remember that if you go to Malaysia. Or just watch my videos 100 times and start liking them. Please give a subscribe because I will subscribe to all my subscribers. You got that?